So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, Week 4 Assignment 4. So, the first question is, which component of cybersecurity protects applications from outer threats, often using firewall? So, these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So, explanation says elements of cybersecurity, application security. It ensures the protection of applications from outer threats. So, the answer of our first question is A. And now let us go to our question number 2. What is Zfire? So, these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So, explanation says supporting operating system Zfire. So the answer for our second question is C, and OS. And now let's go to our question number 3. Fill in the blank. Most of the commonly used ransomware attacks use dash, where the user receives a legal file as an attachment and is skillfully forced to download or open it. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says malware, a computer program which is used to disturb the computer user, such as computer viruses, is spyware, etc. Example, Trojan horse. So the answer of our third question is C, Trojan. And now let's go to our question number 4. In the software defined cloud manufacturing architecture, which component is responsible for detecting abnormality? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says EIF is also responsible for detecting abnormality. So the answer of our fourth question is C, ensemble intelligence framework. And now let's go to our question number 5. Fill in the blank. Typically dash form the core of the smart sensor nodes. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B, microprocessors. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which cybersecurity component involves strategies to maintain the availability, integrity, and confidentiality of business data? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says information security. These strategies help maintain the availability, integrity, and confidentiality of business data. So the answer of our sixth question is C, information security. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following is not a protected asset in cybersecurity? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. The explanation says this protection involves protection of hardware, software, data. So the answer of our seventh question is D, public domain information. And now let's go to our question number 8. How does IIoT modify traditional automation technique? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says IIoT modifies the traditional automation techniques by exploiting IT technology. So the answer of our eighth question is B, by exploiting IT technology. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which of the following has been identified as a major challenge in IIoT deployment? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the challenges in deployment of IIoT are data integration challenges. So the answer of our ninth question is D, data integration challenges. And now let's go to our question number 10. How does industrial internet assist power production? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says power production in power industries outage is a huge problem because locating a broken power line or equipment is not an easy task. With the help of industrial internet, everything will be connected to internet. Therefore, status updates and performance related data will be easily available. So the answer for our 10th question is B. And now let's go to our question number 11. State true or false. The industrial internet can benefit commercial aviation industries by improving both airline operations and asset management. True or false? So let's check the explanation. So explanation says the industrial internet can benefit commercial aviation industries by improving both airline operations and asset management. So the answer of our 11th question is true. And now let's go to our question number 12. What is considered the primary source of IIoT data? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says sensor, primary source of IIoT data, big analogy, digital data. So the answer for our 12th question is C. And now let's go to our question number 13. Fill in the blank. Conventional sensing is primarily involved in dash. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says conventional sensing involved in feedback automation of a process in industrial control system. So the answer for our 13th question is A, feedback automation. And now let's go to our question number 14. Which challenge of Industry 4.0 is directly associated with aging society and lack of skilled workers? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says challenges for industrial processes in Industry 4.0: constrained workforce, lack of skilled workforce, aging society. So the answer of our 14th question is C, constant workforce. And now let's go to our question number 15. Efficient use of materials, water, and energy is categorized under which expected feature of Industry 4.0? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says expected features of industrial processes with Industry 4.0: efficiency, intelligent and efficient use of resources such as materials, water, energy. So the answer of our 15th question is D. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.